Hello! Today we are thrilled to take you on a virtual journey of one of the most captivating attractions in Niagara Falls, Ontario, the Bird Kingdom. Nestled in the heart of the city, the extraordinary aviary offers an enchanting experience that combines nature, education, and adventure. Join us as we spread our wings and delve into the captivating world of the Bird Kingdom. Imagine stepping into a lush tropical rainforest surrounded by vibrant foliage and the delightful melodies of exotic birds. At Bird Kingdom, you'll find yourself immersed in an impressive multi-level indoor aviary that spans over 45,000 square feet. This is the largest free-flying indoor aviary in North America, showcasing the beauty and diversity of over 400 species of birds from around the world. As you experience the various sections of Bird Kingdom, you'll encounter fascinating exhibits that offer a glimpse into the lives of these magnificent creatures. Encountering rare and endangered species such as the Hyacinth Macaw with its vibrant blue plumage, or the charismatic African Grey Parrot, known for its remarkable intelligence and mimicry. Marvel at the intricate patterns of the Gouldian Finch, or the graceful flight of the Victoria Crowned Pigeon. Bird Kingdom is truly a treasure trove of aviary wonders. One of the highlights of Bird Kingdom is the Adventure Room, a thrilling walk-through aviary where you can get up and close and personal with exotic birds as they soar overhead. Imagine the rush of the blue and yellow macaw whizzing past you, or a rainbow lorikeet perching on your arm to enjoy a sip of nectar. It is an unforgettable experience that allows you to connect with nature in a unique and interactive way. Beyond its beauty and entertainment, Bird Kingdom is committed to education and conservation efforts. Through informative displays, knowledgeable staff, and interactive presentations, visitors of all ages can learn about bird behavior, habitat, and the importance of preserving these incredible creatures and their ecosystem. Bird Kingdom actively supports conservation projects around the world, working to protect and preserve avian species for generations to come. Bird Kingdom in Niagara Falls, Ontario. It is a haven for bird enthusiasts, nature lovers, and adventure seekers alike. It offers a captivating experience where you can immerse yourself in the enchanting world of birds from all corners of the globe. From the awe-inspiring free-flying aviary to the interactive encounters, Bird Kingdom has something to delight everyone. So next time you find yourself near Niagara Falls, don't miss the opportunity to spread your wings and explore the captivating Bird Kingdom. Whether you're seeking inspiration, education, or a touch of magic, this avian paradise promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've left its tropical embrace. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you for coming back to G&D Travel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you get a chance to experience the wonder that is Bird Kingdom firsthand.